I kind of screwed up when they announced they were gonna do a renovation of the main entrance at Caesars, because this looks like a main entrance. You know what doesn't? This other area. So it's really close to this entrance. This is where you do hotel registration. Then you got a sweet bar right here. And then you go over one little spot. There's the bell desk, or what used to be the bell desk when they had bells and in hotel casinos. Anyway, so this is the main entrance. This goes out to the porte cochere. It's where a lot of people arrive by car, obviously. And this is where Caesars sits, or Caesar sits. So he'll be involved in the renovation. It'll have a big dome, kind of like this, but fancier. There'll be tables on both sides, you know, for gambling. Then this dude, they're just gonna pretty up this kind of boring area. And then just beyond is the iconic Caesars Palace Casino. It's beautiful. Let's get in there. So many people, possibly too many. Anyway, that's the beautiful dome that everybody talks about. Or maybe it's just me, because it's classic and it's beautiful. So that's it. That's where the renovation is going to happen, right in here. Consider me corrected. That never happened.